is me, Klang.
And this is me, Jerry. Tinatakpan na kami, Jaylen.
So, welcome to our vlog videos. So, we're playing Find the Seashell, Find the Molders.
Yeah, this ones. Wait lang. Ito ba?
I don't know how to edit, how to make sound, so please, no bash. That's the seashell. Here, the seashell.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna hide all the molders, and Jorin will gonna find it.
Yeah, these are the mothers and two yellow ones. You have two yellow ones.
Okay, get ready, guys. I will hide it. Turn around a bit. So, let's go. So, guys, we're gonna hide every molder. Doon ka, naad ka kay Jaylen.
Hindi ko naman ito eh.
Parang nga sure. So guys, while Jereen is wait lang.
Wait ka, bilisan mo kasi ano yun, ayoko na kung pikit lagi.
Tumalikod ka nga. So guys, while Jereen is close eyes or whatever she doing, I don't see. So let's hide the seashells.
Lang palagay nga. Malapit ka na matapos na
Yeah.
sa yellow ka na.
Yeah.
Gusto mo lang, tatago mo.
Hindi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ganun pa.
Sabi mo nasa yellow ka na.
Tapos na ako sa yellow.
Lang, tingnan mo pa kaya hagis niya. Huwag mo pakuhain sa kanya yan.
Jaylen. Okay, time to. Pwede ka naman tumalikod if you want. Talikod ka if you want. Hindi.
Ngayon sisa tayo sisa. Tingnan ako. Wala, may hipon ka. Milan, may hipon ka.
Okay na to, Jervin. Okay na lang to. So guys, let's start our Jervin's hunting. So guys, Jervin is hunting now.
Ano na yung mga tool ko?
So, if I want to help in, if she want a help, I will help him. I'm so excited.
There's so much stuff.
Oh, oops. Ay, ito yung uso, di ba yung ganun? Dylan, stop.
Dylan, no! Hey, Dylan! Lang ilapit mo nga dito. Ay,
Hindi, ngayon.
ganito mataas mo yung camera pag ganito. Ihawakan mo lang yung camera pag
Hindi.
gano'n.
Hindi na kailangan eh.
Hawakan mo yung camera para makita.
Nakikita na nila eh.
Hindi nila nakikita.
So guys, this is Jervin's working. So that's it.